The Mediterranean diet is one of the most useful diets for those that want a refreshing diet full of micronutrients. However, there are numerous foods that people often exclude from the diet that could enhance the quality. One of the ultimate questions is, can you eat canned tuna on the Mediterranean diet? Tuna is packed full of protein, and it is a rich source of omega-3, which makes it a great option for those looking to increase the amount of protein they need to consume. Since tuna is light and low in calories, it is a great addition to add to the Mediterranean diet to ensure that you meet all the macronutrient goals. The following video aims to educate you on how tuna can be beneficial and how you can incorporate it into your diet. If you like tuna, you don't need to cut it out of your diet, and you will find that adding it can have plenty of benefits. In terms of flavor, it is a great way to enhance the quality of each meal. Can you eat canned tuna on the Mediterranean diet? Protein is one of the most important food sources you need to consume on any diet, and many people neglect adding their protein sources. However, tuna is one of the best options due to the accessibility and the fact that it is pre-cooked. You can eat tuna in terms of the Mediterranean diet due to it being a light meal packed full of nutrients. As mentioned, the tuna is already prepared, which means you don't need to spend hours preparing the food for your meal. While you might be tired of fruits and vegetables, tuna also brings a new dimension when looking at how the foods taste. It is a portion of great quality food that is not packed with calories and will not make you feel stuffed. When looking for canned tuna, you will find a couple of options, with some being stored in oil and others in salt water. It would help if you chose the options in water. These have fewer calories and will keep your meal lower on the calorie scale. Choosing a tuna in brine will be even better to ensure you have a tasty meal that is low on the GI scale. 5 ways to use canned tuna on the Mediterranean diet. Now that you know tuna is permitted, you might also be wondering how to utilize it in your diet. We have found a few innovative ways to add tuna to the diet to enhance the taste of your meals and get the maximum benefit from the food. Here are some of the best ways to incorporate tuna in your Mediterranean diet. 1. Tuna salad. The Mediterranean diet will require you to eat many fruits and vegetables. However, the taste of these vegetables can be stale over a while. Yet, canned tuna can be added to the meal, and you will transform the meal into a tuna salad. The tuna will also add a new dimension of flavor to the meal and improve the nutritional quality. Tuna salad is already one of the most popular dishes among many people that love to diet. You have numerous options to choose from, and the flavors are something that you can play with. Adding tuna to any diet and any form of salad will keep the meal light, and it will be easy for the body to digest without giving you a bloated feeling. 2. Potato salad. There are numerous other salads that one can consider. The potato salad is one of the most popular among many people who love potatoes. While the salad demands mayonnaise, you can add tuna and reduce the mayonnaise. There are numerous different dressings that one can consider and choose to replace the mayonnaise. The potato salad is slightly more dense than the standard salad. However, it is packed full of different nutrients to ensure you get your daily fix of nutrients. We recommend only eating this on occasions, as potatoes are still full of carbohydrates. 3. The pepper appetizer. One food source that people like to eat on the Mediterranean diet is the pepper. These peppers are full of nutrients, and they ensure that you get all your vitamins and minerals you might need when on a solid diet. The benefit of the pepper is that it can be stuffed. If you take some time, you can stuff each pepper with tuna. While it might not be one of the biggest meals you can eat every day, it is still a good appetizer option. Additionally, you can pack with your meals for work each day, and it can be used as a snack. 4. The tuna wrap. If you have ever seen a taco or a wrap, you will notice that you can put almost everything in the wrap or taco. The wrap is one of the easiest ways to add your tuna, and you don't need only to add tuna to the meal. Since you can add all your favorite foods inside, you can change all of the different flavors and minerals. We should mention that wraps can be dense in calories. However, the low-carb wraps are low GI, and they should be a good option to ensure you have a quick meal. 5. Meal on its own. Finally, you can eat tuna just like it is. Many tuna tins have flavors, and some people might enjoy tuna's taste without any additives and spices. You can choose to eat the tuna right out of the can whenever you feel like having a meal. However, it might not have all the nutrients you need daily. Final words. The Mediterranean diet is one of the best options for those looking to lose weight. However, tuna is one of the best options when it comes to adding and spicing up some of your meals. Since tuna is such a versatile food source, we would love to read some of your comments on ways you have incorporated tuna into your Mediterranean diet. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video and want more amazing stuff on Mediterranean diet, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for getting latest updates.